Today, let us talk about preparation for IVF cycle. So, first you have to see whether your cycles are regular or irregular. In case your cycles are irregular, you have to start some birth control pills to regularize the cycle. So, you have to take this pill in the previous cycle. If your cycles are regular, this preparation can be avoided. And we have to see what are the tests which is to be done before IVF cycle. You have to check your hemoglobin, sugars, HIV, HPSAG, VDRL, HCV, thyroid, prolactin, AMH. So these are the broad tests which has to be done before your IVF cycle. Then one more important test which is specific to IVF cycle is hysteroscopy. Hysteroscopy. So we put a camera inside the uterus and see if there is a problem inside the uterine cavity. Sometimes you may find a polyp or something in the uterine cavity which can be removed with hysteroscopy. Sometimes we find a septum in the uterus which can be cut with hysteroscopic scissors during the procedure. So these are the things which has to be done in the previous cycle before IVF. Then on the start of IVF cycle, you have to do hormone test, estrogen, progesterone, FSH or LH, depending on the type of cycle which your doctor has planned. So this test has to be done on second, third or fourth day of cycle, following which you can start the hormone medications. And there is one more preparation which is very important. Before you start the IVF cycle or at the time of starting IVF cycle, your husband has to freeze the semen sample. The purpose of freezing the semen sample is sometime during IVF process, your husband may get fever or some problem where he finds it difficult to provide the semen sample. In that case, you can use a frozen semen sample for IVF cycle. So these are the very important things which has to be followed before an IVF cycle.